The CORSAIR K65 Plus Wireless lets you stand out from the crowd with its stylish, space-saving 75% layout and full control with personalized RGB lighting, macros, and key remaps powered by the CORSAIR iCUE software. The K65 Plus Wireless features multiple operating modes. To enable iCUE control, the keyboard must be in either wireless RF mode or USB wired mode. To start setting up your K65 Plus Wireless, launch CORSAIR iCUE and go to Key Assignments. Key assignments allow you to apply a key remap, macro, or any other action to any of the keys on the keyboard. Just add an assignment, pick the assignment type, and configure it to your preference. To customize your K65 Plus Wireless's lighting, go to Lighting Effects. Here you can apply any combination of preset, custom, or lighting link effects to any single key or group of keys on the keyboard. The K65 Plus Wireless supports an unlimited number of lighting layers when connected via USB. When in wireless mode, a single layer may be applied. The K65 Plus Wireless also features full support for iCUE murals for advanced lighting that syncs across all compatible devices connected to your system. If you wish to adjust the behavior of common shortcuts for the keyboard or change the profile and function indicator colors, go to the Performance tab. And to manage the keyboard's multifunctional rotary dial, go to the Control Dial menu. Here you can toggle on or off different dial modes such as volume, brightness, scroll, and zoom control, as well as change the assigned color for each dial mode so you can know at a glance which mode is active. And finally, the Device Settings menu is where you can check for firmware updates, set the sleep mode behavior, and other settings. And that's it. The CORSAIR K65 Plus Wireless, with its distinctive design and a space-saving 75% form factor, and fully customizable RGB lighting, key remaps, and macros powered by CORSAIR iCUE, lets you stand out from the crowd. Thanks for watching.